What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. So I hope you enjoyed the last video, which is up on the channel. We had a channel update video and also a video from my weekend up in Scotland. So if you haven't already, go check those out. But we're here on gold right now, and we're just looking at the 15-minute time frame and the 30-minute time frame on this one. Now, this is another trade on the new strategy I've been working on for the last month or two, and I will be making an in-depth video on this strategy very soon. But what we're looking at here is we're looking at gold. We're looking at a breakout of the Asia highs. Okay, so we've got the Asia highs here, and basically we're looking for a price for this candle potentially to come up and break this new candle's high, or potentially at least close above the line here, this white line here. If we can close above this white line here, then we're going to wait for the next candle to push up. Now you can see we're pushing down here, but we've still got 7 minutes or so. If we don't close above this white line here and we close below, then we could be looking for a fake out and then potentially price to come down and fill the range again. So there's two options that we've got here to play, and one of them is likely going to play out. So we're just going to have to wait and see which one we get. So when we come back, hopefully we'll be closer to an entry and we can get going. Alright then, guys, so we just got our entry here, and we're going to go for our usual 1-to-1 for our first TP. Okay, so I actually entered just before, well, actually popped up and popped back down, so we got our entry just below here. We're already into a nice amount of profit, price is pushing up. We have got a nice looking supply zone here, which we're likely price is going to want to go up to. We're absolutely rocketing right now, which is amazing, but I'm actually going to anticipate price to continue beyond the supply zone. So we're going to take our first TP here. And we're actually almost there. This is very nice indeed. Oh my goodness. We like this. Okay, I'm actually going to take first TP there. Reason why is because that's pushed up really quickly, and sometimes when that happens we do get a pullback. So now we're on a completely risk-free trade, and we're just going to let the rest run. Insane. See what I mean there, where you had that pullback? Sometimes those can happen, and it could be just a liquidity grab sort of thing or whatever, but I wanted to take that profit there. But of course, if we do keep pushing up now, then we're on for a winner. Looking to the left, we have a big area, a larger area up here, which price could potentially come to, or we've also got a resistance here, which obviously price is just rejected from. So let's see what happens. But if we do get stopped out for break even here, we just made a really nice, very quick 20 pips on gold. So that's going to round off our day of trading. We've had 2 trades today, 2 of which I didn't manage to get on camera, but both profitable. So we are now 3 for 3. And that's very nice. So I'd really like this to keep pushing up, because if we do get up to this area, that's going to be 60 pips of 20% of our original profit size, which will be about the same, just less than what we just made again. So awesome trade there. We'll leave this running and we'll have a look, see how it works out in a second. I think, guys, so we pushed up past our first TP, probably would have hit our original TP, but I'm happy to take what I did here. I actually was very confident on this trade and had a higher lot size than I usually do on gold. So what we got here was was plenty. So then price is now pushing up a lot further, and we're just going to let this one run. I'm actually going to target 1998.90. Oh, sorry, 0.91, because we got this area up here. I do think that price is potentially going to come up there. But if we get stopped out for break even, we get stopped out for break even. But we're just going to let this run. So super stoked with that. I'll probably post the results of this on my on Telegram. So if you haven't already, go join that. It's down. It's free in the description below. We have got lots more content coming there. It's just I've been very busy while I was away this weekend. Yeah, we can see this is pushing up really nicely now, and I'm very happy with this result. I think we are going to blast through this sort of supply zone here. It may cause a bit of resistance, as you can see, but I don't think it's going to cause a reversal. I think we still have places for price to go, but we shall see. I might be wrong, never 100% right, but I'm happy with that. I'm going to leave the video here. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.